cash a digi, the schedule busy, my head in the hood.
Alright y'all, so we just made it to the first location. We're about to walk into the leasing office. Our appointment's for 11:30. This is Taylor. I don't know if y'all met her yet. My roomie and best friend. So now, yeah, we're walking to the leasing office. I hope what they show us is cute, because it looks really cute so far. Okay, this is the first one, y'all.
Sorry about that. I don't think they set it up. They just didn't have the lights on. Yeah.
Kitchen. How are you gonna set up? Barstool area.
Okay, pantry.
Pantry.
Yeah, pantry. We got some food, snacks in the pantry too. Stuff in the refrigerator if you guys are.
This is like the first bedroom, I think.
Ooh, a tub, girl. I'm so
Here she go. Oh, with the closet in here. This is the bathroom.
the closet in the
Yeah, so
bathroom.
the closets are a lot bigger than like a dorm room.
Okay.
A little walk-in stuff.
A walk-in closet. That's not bad. Period. It actually isn't
And
bad.
the good thing is, the only thing I do have to check is like the availability. It's just late in the season, and so I'm kind of limited on spaces, but I can definitely check what we do have.
This is cute.
The furnished option does come with like the couch sectional for this floor plan.
Okay.
Upstairs too.
Oh, there's another bedroom in here?
Yeah. Just,
Okay, so this is right by the front door.
I
I like the way these rooms feel.
Yes.
They feel bigger. What size bed is this? It's just a full?
queen.
It's a queen. How does it feel bigger than the ones that we have? We have full XL. Some things be too big, too long. I like this.
Yeah,
They're
nice size beds.
I like them. This is light in here. Another walk-in closet, y'all. Me, Gary. Okay, then here are the stairs. Oh, this is cute up here. This is so cute.
They are all the same size.
They are all, I like that. So you don't have people, fighting over bedrooms.
Right.
Another bathroom. Closet.
Yeah, and all the bed spaces, they actually come with their own thermostat and
Dryer.
yeah, washer and dryer.
We gotta get a mirror.
This is nice.
It doesn't come with the mirror, it's just bigger. But
It's okay. It's
Yeah,
okay. We
it-
can get one. Okay, so we have made it to the second location. It's literally across the street. The outside is not as appealing as the first one that we toured. I think the first one's gonna be the hardest to beat, just because the look of the actual place is, I really like it. I like how it's kind of like a house, but not a house. I don't know, I really like the first one. So we're gonna see what apartment complex number 2 has to offer. And of course, we'll bring you along for the tour of that and everything. So let's go. Okay, this is their little leasing office, clubhouse area. It seems pretty nice. It's like rustic feel. I kind of get it. What are your thoughts, Gary? About this place? Oh yeah, this is me and Taylor trying to look at stuff that's not on the tour. This is the outside, y'all. Small.
This is the 3 flats.
Oh, this is nice.
Has their own bathroom and closet. So
this is
you're
nice.
sharing really like the washroom and like the living room and the kitchen area.
This is
Is
nice.
this a full or queen? It's a full XL, so it's the length of a queen but the width of a full.
Okay. I could dig it. This is the bathroom. They have a tub too, Taylor. Taylor loves the tub, y'all. And then it comes with a walk-in closet as
This is a
well.
bigger closet. Is it?
I don't know. It might just be higher.
Higher.
I like the black finishings
I like this type of stuff.
with the, look at the HGTV queen.
This is cute.
This is nice.
Hold on, we might have some competition.
We might have some competition. Okay, if you walk across, this is better. This is a bigger kitchen for sure. Better number 2. This kind of like my bedroom in here. How it's decorated now.
This is cute, soft.
Oh, so they don't all have the same closet?
No, like for the 3. This is
Okay, so this one doesn't have a walk-in closet in the bathroom. This has the tub though. It all has the same, of course, tub, sink, stuff like that.
closet.
The layout's just gonna be different. Okay, you walk out here,
Kitchen.
and this is the kitchen area.
And then in that closet is the full-size washer and dryer.
Okay, can I open it?
Yes.
I don't know if it opens. Okay, so they're not stacked. This is a nice kitchen.
It's big.
100%. This is the living room. Okay.
Is it, do they come furnished? Yes, it's fully furnished and there's no fee for the furniture.
Okay. That's nice. This is bedroom number 3. I think this is definitely the small. Oh, the closet's over here.
Is it sideways?
I think so. They have a bigger closet though, but I think the actual bedroom is smaller. And then this is the bathroom for the 3rd one.
It's very interesting how they decorate these rooms.
Yes.
It gives kind of like a rustic, western feel, I guess. Not so much super eclectic. This is a smaller bathroom too. This does have the biggest closet, I think.
They got their bed sideways.
They have to have the
But
bed
the
sideways.
bed, like, I just don't like how this bed is set up.
I don't like
Because
this.
it's serving not
This is too
a
small.
bedroom.
Couch.
Small.
Yes, it's not. It's like, this don't look like a bedroom. This, that one.
Okay, y'all. So what's the verdict? I'm gonna say my favorite still. It's still my favorite. I don't know. I just like the way the setup was. I gotta see the townhouse in person, so I could really get a feel of the dimensions. I gotta see what that looks like. I just like the standalone, y'all. I really do like the standalone option. I don't know why. I just like it. 3rd location, y'all, that we're touring. My favorite one is still the first one. It just seems the most affordable at the point, and also just the flexibility around what we could actually do with the actual building. Sorry if y'all can't hear me, there's a street behind us, but I like that.
Versus paying bills every month.
I'm not feeling this one.
And then would this be for 3 of you guys, or who would this be for? So we do have furnished and unfurnished options.
Okay.
If you were to do the furnished, it would come with the couch,
kitchen
the
area.
seat, the table, basically anything, the desk, the chair, nightstand, and a dresser as well. You guys can go and take a look.
Bedroom.
For the 3-bedroom option and the 2-bedroom as well, you're gonna have your bathroom and your closet inside the room.
Okay.
And then for the 4-bedroom, it'll be 2.
This is bedroom number 2, you guys. Okay. Dresser over here. Turn. Like, little desk. This is the bathroom area. Hey, y'all.
A lot of people do a little closet inside the bathroom. Shit. I like it though. The little closet inside the bathroom option.
3rd tour is done. The 3rd tour is done. All I have to say is it was short. I didn't need to see anything else. Not for me. Not for us. Just not ideal.
I don't like it.
Compared to,
We don't like it.
let's just have a little
Child.
that no. Just no.
This kitchen was so small.
The kitchen was small. Bugs in the tub.
To say that was furnished.
I didn't like that.
I didn't like that at all. We get more space where we are now.
Look nicer up.
All right, we're off to apartment complex number 4, I think. We took a lunch break because we got hungry. Let me put on my mask because I'm a good citizen. So yeah, so I think we have seen parts of this one before because we do have friends who have lived here. So I'm excited to see what this one looks like. It looks really nice from the outside so far. So that's good. Oh, this is spacious. Living room. And this is a 3-bedroom, right?
Yes, this is a 3-bedroom flat. It goes for the same as it would for a 3-bedroom townhouse. That's the 2-story version of this. Right now we don't have any townhouses to show. Unfortunately, they're being cleaned out. But in this unit, it's a good outlayer to see what you would get. So you saw like whenever we were walking outside, it's all like one building. But the townhouse is just, they just say that because it's just 2 stories.
Okay.
That's really the only thing that makes it a townhouse.
Okay.
As you saw, like over here, the closet space, that's something that we really like to show.
This is the bathroom.
The closet space, the bathroom, it's pretty much
Little
universal.
tub.
There you go. We'll have the same amount of closet space, nice walk-in closets. And the furnishings also in them, like the,
This is the
kitchen
kitchen.
table.
Love this area. We gotta get one of these.
I know.
It's up to you if you want it mounted or if you want,
Okay.
I think we can mount it for you.
Oh, we love that.
Okay, this one in the bathroom is in the closet.
In the bathroom.
So like that's what I was thinking.
This is another bedroom. I think this is the closet. Oh, this is a bigger closet than the first one. That's the bathroom for this one. I mean, closet for this one. Then you come down here. This is a pretty big room, honestly, guys. And then there's me. Hey, y'all. And then the tub. This is a big room.
And would you guys like some snacks? We have some snacks in the fridge, some chips, anything like that.
Okay. This is another bigger bedroom too.
Yeah, the closet is in the bathroom on this one.
I kind of like how the closets are in the bathroom. I feel like it makes it bigger, like the room bigger. This is a bigger bathroom. What other candy do they have in there? They have Kit Kat? I like this. This is a nice living area. And the couches come with it if we get it furnished and stuff.
That little love seat over there, coffee table, the stand right there. All that comes included with it. Yep,
The TV?
that shelf area comes included.
I like the fact that you can mount the TV. I like that a lot.
If you want the TV.
All right, we have made it to the 5th apartment complex area. This has a penthouse in it. That's like one of like the bigger models. So we're gonna go tour that. I don't know if we got a buzz in.
This is our first one.
Oh, this is a big kitchen.
Yeah, this is a really good floor plan for this bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's bar stools for the amount of rooms that you have. The stove, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. But like appliances, like dishes and stuff, that's up to you guys.
Okay.
And then each room also comes with their own washer and dryer unit. So the ones and then 3 and up have like individual like full
Okay,
washers.
like side by side.
Yeah, side by side. Yeah, this
Oh no, it's not. This goes back far. Okay.
Each room comes with like a mattress and bed frame, 2 stackable dressers. So,
Okay.
like, I have my dresser slid under my bed, just creates more room. A desk and chair and a nightstand. And then in the bathroom, we just provide
And
the
a tub.
shower curtain. I'm not shower curtain, shower rod.
Okay.
And then like the curtain's up to you.
This isn't bad size either.
It's a nice bathroom.
They have a tub, Taylor.
I love a tub.
My girl likes to soak. And this is the closet.
I love this.
That's actually not a bad size closet either. I'm sorry. I got this door all open. Okay.
And then any room that is on a corner is gonna have a slanted bedroom.
Oh, I see.
So it's a little smaller, but I think it's cool.
I feel like kind of gives a cool feel to the room.
Yeah.
He like
people
turn the
usually
corner.
hate this room, but I don't really know.
It's not that bad. It's not too bad. It's not too bad.
It's not. It's just like that one is like kind of more spacious.
Yeah.
But
This is a big bathroom. This is a nice size bathroom.
it just depends. Like
I like the tub. It's a deep tub.
with the 2 bedrooms, like you either get a bigger living area, bigger rooms, or like people's preferences usually like, oh, I want a balcony, or I want like a big room, or like pick a specific floor plan. I can show you guys the different types of floor plans when we get up to the office.
Can I open this door? No.
Yeah, you can open it. Sorry.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah,
Don't break it,
sure.
so.
This is a cute little bathroom.
This is a little step down.
I would want, one up there.
Yeah.
Like carpet, not rugs. Sorry.
Let's do the penthouse.
Oh, the penthouse is so cool.
I'm so excited to see the penthouse.
This was a penthouse?
No.
Oh, no.
The penthouse is 5 bedrooms. This is not the
You'll
penthouse.
see the penthouse. The penthouse
I'm
is
ready to
awesome.
see the penthouse. Oh, yay! Oh, yes! Hold on. Where did I don't know. I'm like, which way should I turn?
Oh God, it's a room.
This is a room, Taylor. Look at this closet.
No, yeah, this apartment really is like
Look at this
the
bathroom.
apartment that like is like a real apartment.
Look at this.
This
bedroom.
is nice. This is what I'm talking about. Come on, penthouse. Now look. Tay, can we hang things on the wall if we wanted to?
So
Like drill? Yes,
It's
the ring light for me.
It's the room for me.
Girl, this is oh my God.
It's the space. Come on.
The closet is
This
like,
is so nice.
Sorry, Michaela.
This is so nice. Taylor, you see when it comes in, it feels like a house, like a home. This is so nice. Okay.
Michaela.
Okay, balcony view. They don't want to.
Imagine what I could do with this balcony.
This is so nice. Okay, this is bed number 2.
TV on.
Y'all see it mounting the TV?
They don't want to see me.
This is a closet. This one got a little bit tinier closet, but it does come
So
around.
this one is nice. Since you walk in, you go right there.
Taylor, this is so nice.
They have 3-bedroom penthouses. I thought they only had 5.
No.
That's why I was like, I don't want. That's a lot.
That's a lot of people. This is nice. Okay.
Ooh.
Then you step out here. This ain't even done. That's only room 1 and 2. Front
Girl, I
door.
walked in, I said,
A little
we got
sitting
options.
area.
Not options. I hate you.
Another bedroom. This is the washer and dryer.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's the washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer. All right. Then you walk over here. We haven't made it to the kitchen yet.
This is another room.
This is another room. The bathroom.
You got a lot going on in this piece.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But
This-
okay, so the one when you first walk in, the room is definitely bigger.
Definitely.
Definitely.
But it doesn't have a door in its closet though either.
This is a window.
I like how they got this TV set up. I ain't lying.
All right, come on.
This window.
The first room is definitely, the eye grabber.
The eye grabber. Everything is the eye grabber.
It's nice though. We not even halfway through. Let's hit the other one.
This is the next room.
There we got stairs.
I know. I know.
Ooh. Ooh,
This has this type of closet.
this is nice.
Can I open it?
This is
Struggling.
I like this.
Yeah, I was like, that's like a side closet.
This is nice.
This is nice. The next bathroom. I like this black and white color scheme. This is a cute little
I love
towel
this.
thing. I like that.
I like
Okay.
this. Okay, so
I'm sorry, this is, look, I gotta take this in.
for rent purposes, we put out.
But you can't just like pay it all at once.
Okay.
You're just gonna credit.
This is nice. This is a good kitchen.
This is a very spacious
I
kitchen.
love this.
You hear the echo?
Shut up.
So, okay, the sofa comes included with this, and the
Yeah, by the time you guys get here, I'm pretty sure we just got new furniture. So, this probably isn't the couch that you get. It's actually like we just saw like actual couches to put in the room. It's a little smaller than these though, so I don't know. I think we're gonna need chairs for the 5 bedrooms too, just to like make more space for me and 5 people. You have to have room for like everyone to sit. But yeah,
the table.
I like this.
yeah, the TV comes with every single living room, just not the bedrooms.
Period.
Hold on, y'all wanna see me hit the keys? Where's the stairs?
Okay, it's got like a little landing here. Little
A
extra
secret
stairs.
door.
Okay, so this is the room.
This is the 5th bedroom. This is the bathroom.
There's a lot of space.
Heat rise. This is a lot of space.
I think this is the second biggest bedroom.
And the one when we first.
This is the biggest. This is a big closet.
There's a lot of space.
Yes.
This
Love
is an
that.
upgrade. This is an upgrade. Oh yeah,
I love this.
most definitely. This is the view, y'all, from upstairs. Trying to give y'all everything. All right. Penthouse. This is so nice.
I know. I wonder how much the rent is.
Me too.
The ceiling's so dark.
It's so high. It is such a high ceiling.
Going crazy, Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me and she held it down so she got a Mercedes. No money records, the army, the navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out